Good day to you all. My name is Titus Tole, and I'll be presenting on my project, an AI based assistant for business executives. And for this demonstration, firstly, I'm going to start by showing the web app, which is the web version of the assistant that executives can access the assistant via this website. So, here, this is the interface that we have. To our left, we have the upcoming events tab, which shows us the list of all the events that we have that are upcoming. So this serves to act as a constant reminder to our executives whenever they open the site so that they can see all their events that are upcoming. And then here at the middle, we have our type your message tab where we can type in our instructions to our assistant. And then if we move further to the right, we have this button which sends our commands to the assistant. Then here we have the button with the microphone icon, which is the button that we use to record our messages to the assistant. Then we have the date. So let's start by giving our assistant a simple greeting and see how it responds. Hello.
Good day. I'm the assistant managing Tyra's office. How can I assist you further?
As we can see, after we pressed the record button, it recorded our voice. Then it sent it to the assistant, and as the assistant was processing our message, another tab for processing showed, and then it was also what was happening in the background. It was connecting to our dialogue flow, which is the framework that was used to build the logic of the assistant. Then after that, after it got the response from dialogue flow, it was able to send back the response to us. And as we can see from the response, that our assistant was able to accurately understand the language that we are communicating with it, and it was able to respond accordingly. So from here, let's give it another simple task, like we want it to go to our calendar and fetch all the events that we have for today. I know we have the upcoming tab, but then the upcoming tab, it just shows the events that are upcoming. But now we want it to actually go to the calendar and fetch all the events that we have in the head, even the ones that passed for today. Can you show me all the events that are on my calendar?
Happy to help. What was the meeting's date and time?
You didn't get that correctly. Can you show me all the events that I have on my schedule
Which day would you like to see the schedule for?
today?
Here are your events for Sun June 29, 2025. Ken's appointment, personal at 4 a.m. Zen's appointment, personal at 5 p.m. Call with Tiana, personal at 6 p.m.
Okay, so as we can see, our assistant was able to go to our calendar and fetch our events. So now, just to double check, I'm going to go to Google Calendar and I'm just going to scroll through all the events that we have and see if our assistant was fetching these things correctly. So as you can see, today is June Sunday 29, and there we have Ken's appointment. If you scroll down further, then we have Zen's appointment, which is 7 p.m. Then we also have call with Tiana, which is at 8 p.m. So as you can see, our assistant is correctly communicating with our calendar. It is correctly fetching everything that we want to see from our calendar. So now let's give it another simple task. So on this task, we want our assistant to go to our inbox and check our inbox and see all the emails that have been sitting for too long in our inbox and let us know. Let's see. Can you show me all the emails that have been sitting
I missed what you said. What was that?
Can you show me all the emails that have been sitting too long in my inbox?
Here are the emails sitting in your inbox for more than 5 days. Reminder, your discount expires soon. Chosen Big Race 2303, see what's been happening on Instagram. YouTube's product lead shared our tips, here they are. Hey, we have a question for you thinking face. Unlock effortless team PDF collaboration handshake. Last call, buy 2 years of WPS Pro, get 12 months free. You reached 400 views.
Okay, so now let's just go through our inbox and see whether our assistant was correctly picking these emails. So we want emails that we haven't attended to, emails that we haven't opened, and that have been sitting in the inbox for more than 5 days. So as we can see here, we have the video from vidIQ, then we have this one from Canva. Hey, we have a question for you. Unlock effortless PDF collaboration, our last score. We can see these are exactly the emails that our assistant was showing us. So what it means is our assistant is correctly managing our inbox for us. It's correctly going through the inbox, scanning through the inbox, and picking up all the emails that need our attention. So that is it for the web integration. Yes, we can also type as well. We can also type hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
As we can see, both the type and the voice works. So now let us go to the WhatsApp integration. So on the WhatsApp integration, which we made via Twilio, this integration we mainly did it for visitors who would like to come into our office, would like to contact us. So instead of people actually coming physically into the office, they can just check through our assistant and see whether they can come in and book their appointments. So this is what this WhatsApp integration was mainly made for. So I'm just going to test it by typing a greeting and seeing how the assistant responds. So let's say hello. If we type hello, the message goes, and then as you can see, hi there, I'm the assistant here at Titus office. How may I be of service? So this also helps with consistency, so that whenever people contact us, they have a consistent feel of our assistant. So let's request booking an appointment. Can I book an appointment? There it goes. Sounds good. I can assist you with that. What date would you like to schedule your visit? Let's set it to today. It's asking for the time. Let's just say 8 p.m. Okay, it seems our chats are syncing. Okay, while the chats are syncing, yes, because WhatsApp on the desktop sometimes can take some time to sync chats. Let's just go back to this one. Can I book an appointment.
Happy to help. What date would be convenient for you to come in?
Okay, our chats have loaded. Let's enter the time. What time would you like to come in? 8 p.m. Could you please provide us your name? Let's just use a test name like Wendy. There it goes. What's the main topic and goal for the meeting? It's personal. There it goes. Says your appointment has been scheduled for June 29 at 8 p.m. So if we go back to our calendar, there it goes. We can see when this appointment is right here. And even if we go back to the web app, I meant to reload the upcoming events. We should be able to see, there it goes, when this appointment on the upcoming. So we can see that our assistant is correctly executing all its function, and so our AI based assistant, as we can see, it is able to correctly handle our natural language processing. It is able to understand our language. It is able to execute tasks via the API integrations that we made, which means that it is able to efficiently solve the inefficiencies in task management for business executives. Therefore, it provides a powerful use case that can be used to use AI in the workspace by business executives of different industries. With this, I thank you.